Now, from Studio 209, you are watching WVMS News, The Wolf.
Good morning, West Valley. I'm Troy Taylor, here to bring you the morning announcements. Today is February 7th. Now for a moment of silence and the Pledge of Allegiance.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today for lunch, we are having hamburger, cheeseburger, fish sticks, or a PB&J. The side items are crinkle cut fries, baked beans, baby carrots, and a garden salad. The Student Council Valentine's store opens Monday. Here are some things you can purchase: candy, muffins, socks, and stuffed animals. Part 2 of Miss Allison's 3D workshop will continue on Monday from 3:45 to 4:45. This is only open to those who attended the first session. Here is another episode of Karaoke Corner.
Action. I'm Mila Baglio. I'm Avery Graham. And this is Karaoke Corner. Song is my personal favorite, Look What You Made Me Do by Taylor Swift. So guess the song.
Look what you made me do.
Yeah. So guess the song.
Look what you made me do.
Yeah. So guess the song.
I have no idea. That Bruno Mars song?
No.
Kendrick?
No. It's a Taylor Swift song.
Oh, well, you already lost me at Taylor Swift.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So guess the song.
Look what you made me do.
Yeah.
The mission of the West Valley Middle School community is to inspire students to be resourceful, respectful, and responsible while providing a safe and challenging learning environment. Have a great day, West Valley, and go Wolves!